like those tights. You know those
leggings?
under the under the basketball?
The undershorts?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see this new suit.
Oh yeah, you haven't seen it?
No.
Let's stand back.
Okay. Hopefully your arms don't get it. Oh no.
It broke? No way.
Oh, double. I was like, no way. It's hot in here. Damn.
Yeah. Damn.
Oh, this is another part of the truck.
Huh?
That's another part of the truck.
That? No.
Yeah.
So, well, for the rentals, no?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll look at record the ground.
Damn.
Huh. Yeah.
They actually line up. They do the formation after they line up.
Yeah. Shit. I gotta remember when I'm recording, like, I gotta record like it's my eyes, you know?
So you go.
You should be where that white line is.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
No?
It's crazy. You just go down there and it just dips down.
I never seen that part.
So basically, you want to be like almost like here. Yeah. So you could go and make that angle. Just walk the way you would take the line.
Once you get like right here,
Yeah.
you start to turn in.
Yeah.
You brakes, go slowly up.
No, you don't have to. I mean, yeah, because it's gonna be cold. But when the tires warm up, it's literally flat out. All right, you see, don't hit the red and white thing. Hit the line.
Yeah, white line here and then.
Yeah.
Come out.
Come back out over here, but don't hit these.
Yeah, these
will slow you down.
They'll slow you down.
Don't hit these. It's like rumbles.
I go over here.
Uh-huh.
On the right side. So you get to like third turn? I think that's third turn or third.
The third one over there.
Yeah, the other turn.
Like, say hi to them, bro.
Hey.
Where you go? What's the predictions today?
Predictions? Fourth.
Fourth.
I want to be first, but I feel like it's gonna be a combo.
So over here, don't touch this curve here.
Yeah, you're just gonna mess
I don't know what turn this is, but like, don't touch this.
I was over here.
Like, be like, yeah, like somewhere over here.
This guy hit this part and they want to slow down, like pass him.
Yeah. And as you come in here, like, stay like, you see where this white line is?
Yeah.
Basically, stay right there.
Yeah. Just don't go in here.
Yeah, stay there. Well, they actually changed this up last time I was here. Cause I remember it used to be like this apex used to be like over here, like it used to be over there. They fixed it. So now when you come here, it's like almost like you have to come to the right side.
Yeah.
Like.
So for me, my braking point is they start at the white.
The white?
Yeah.
When you get the tires get warmer and more faster, you should brake later.
Yeah.
So like around the red.
So if it's when the tires are cold, I brake. And then like when I'm like here, I let go. And
You gotta power through that corner.
I let go and then I start putting the gas slowly and then I go full throttle.
Yeah.
And straight down.
And then you gotta like come here. So like basically from here, you're coming down here, you go to like here.
Yeah, they made the curves way bigger.
You gotta go here because race cars are here.
Yeah.
And then you come on exit. You should be right. Nicky Loud. So you look like.
Yeah, shut up. Come up here on the left side. Here. You have to brake like start here.
I would say depends on the cold cart, but I wouldn't start on the left. Like, yeah, start on the left.
Yeah.
But I would probably brake around like here. Here. Yeah.
Right here.
Because braking over that is too close. You gotta brake here. Cause West, Porto rental cars, you gotta power through the corner, man.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
So that stays wide or open?
No. Like, don't go that way.
Yeah.
You should be like here. By the time you're done with that, you should be here.
Yeah.
So then you turn in.
Turn in. Right here.
Yeah. And then you power out, and then you go to the other curve. You understand now?
Yeah. It was just this corner and that corner.
Okay.
Mostly this corner.
You know what we should do next time? When you come early, we gotta run the track. Like, quick jog around the track.
Oh, yeah.
Get your lungs pumping and shit. You know?
Yeah.
Guys, all our videos are recorded on the phone. So there's no excuse if you want to make YouTube videos. Just record on your phone and then go to CapCut. Ain't that right, Wes? Well, soon we're gonna get better equipment.
Yep. Go for it.
Come over here, I don't know what turn it is, but you can come here. Basically where this dirt is.
Dirt.
And then
Right.
turn that bitch in.
I feel like I could, like, if I get to here, I can full throttle it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And then when you get here, you come. Depends how late you go, but like your car should be like. I heard. Get to the car. Look at the car. Charles Leclerc.
Harsh against the fence, and I have Kevin Braithwaite, Matthew Smedley, Daniel Bohano, Caesar Wazem, Zoheb Javed, Matej Ha, Tony Marcantonio,
Wait,
and Joe Marcantonio.
is it red thinker?
Can't hear shit. Oh shit, my bad. Oh, it isn't. All alone out there. Keep running. Get in the stand, bro. West man, go faster. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's Wes. Bro, he can't even overtake him. Oh, fuck. Blood almost spun. Oh, Wes, no. Yeah, slow down the pack, please. Thank God. I don't know which one's west, but holy fuck. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah. Please don't spin out. Please don't spin out. You bomba clot. Come on, boy. Come on. Wes in the back of this pack right now. But if he's brave, please be brave. Brave. Oh, he spun. Great. He spun. Oh, great. They're all spinning. I think that's going to be the trend of this race. So look at these guys. Fucking girls. Never mind, another guy. This is the girls. Oh, that's Wes? Oh, shit. That's Wes. Oh, shit. That's Whitley. Oh, shit. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's it? 5. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, boy. Keep going, bro. Make me proud, nigga. Come on, boy. Slow and fast out, bro. You know what to do, nigga. Make your brother proud. Come on, bro. These guys. Alright, girl. Oh my god, is that West? No. Please don't be West. Please don't that be West. West, that fuck. Can't tell. No, it's not. Oh, my brother's one. It's right there. Oh my god, Wes, you get a position. Go, there you go. Go. Go get that position, boy. Don't spin. Yeah. Go get that position, boy. Oh, fuck. Go get him, boy. Go get him. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna end it now because this is what the fuck. He's right there.
Good job, you do good. You make it, son. You make it, son.
Wes, you know you were like P4 the second lap?
I know.
And then you spun and then it ruined it.
I moved and ruined everything.
You didn't spin the whole time, you would have won?
Yeah.
It's okay, honey. It's
That's
your
what
first
you did
time
that.
in the rain.
First
You
time.
learn. You learn in your rain.
Yeah.
And now it stops raining.
That's part of it. That's part of it. That's
You're
part of
cold?
it.
So let's get you out of these now.
Whoa.